Are you tired of not being listened to? You may have a lot of people around you, your friends, your partner, your family, but do you still feel lonely? Do you wish to be heard, seen, understood, supported and loved? Then, your mission, should you wish to accept it, is to learn the most invaluable skills, communication skills. Brian Irwin, a business coach friend of mine, says, communication is the lifeblood in any relationship. Do you often find yourself engaged in a conversation that fails to communicate the right message? Deeper meanings become lost in transition, words get muddled in interpretation, and your true emotions get clouded in ambiguity. Confused communication can lead to bigger problems. By not putting your point of view across in a clear, effective manner, you may be losing out on golden opportunities for career growth and success. By not expressing emotions effectively, you may be losing out on a relationship that might be just the one. Your communication skills play a huge role in your personal relationships, rapport with colleagues at work, leadership ability, and ultimately your peace of mind. Imagine, how would it feel if you could win those hearts and minds because you can communicate well? How would it feel to be appreciated as the best lover, partner, or friend? To have a great career, a successful business because you have effective communication skills? Come and join my interactive workshops, The Art of Effective Communication. I'll be sharing with you the secret to effective communication for successful relationships. I'm looking forward to having a fun and lovely time with you.